past, I've learned from 8, 9 coaches as well. But to be able to get results like this is something absolutely magical.
So speak from your heart, whatever you want. I want to know what happened in health, relationship, career, and money after joining Platinum.
Absolutely. So thank you first to you and Mitesh sir from the bottom of our hearts, me and Iman both, because I think Platinum or you for us, I'll start with relationships because I had come to Platinum thinking paisa sab kuch hai, but I think the major and most important changes that happened in my life were in relationship area because I do not live with one mom-in-law. I have 5 mom-in-laws, 4 now. So I live in a joint family of 16 people. आपने मेरे को डंडा दिया था and you said, Harita, when you accept him, you have to accept everybody else wholeheartedly. किसी को भी छोड़ना नहीं है. And that has been the biggest transformation, that it is not about changing anybody else. It is just about changing your perspective. Everything that Sir teaches in relationship mastery has helped me be happy in this very zoo that I say, because I'm a Marathi, born brought up in Gujarat. I've lived in 3 continents. I left my PR in Sydney to get married to my boyfriend here.
Okay.
And relocated to Kolkata, learning a new language that I didn't even know. So it was like a khichdi of things, and I think you and Sir came in a time when we as a couple were at our lowest. We were always very much in love, but ये बात कि love तो है, but there are so many other things. So take everything on face value. Then stop solving and start evolving.
Yeah.
ये कुछ lessons, yeah, even when Sir talks, कि what in him triggers me and how to manage those triggers, all of that. So majorly our relationship, we have grown as a couple through entire Platinum. It's not that there won't be problems, but we know that they can be solved.
Yeah.
And hai to hai, and it's okay. That's how you go ahead with life. Forgiving for me has become very, very easy, which was not the case ever.
Wow.
So my biggest learning was I knew what Ho'oponopono was, but I never practiced it. And when I learnt it from Sir, and I know you are the backbone behind Ho'oponopono, it's the mantra chanting itself, that's how it goes on in my mind, that if there is anything, I will just do a Ho'oponopono and that's it.
Perfect.
So I think more than the big things, of course, there are big results, but small little things is what makes our life more magical, and that we greatly owe it to you and Sir. So relationship bit of it is absolutely sorted. When I remember when we got into Platinum, we had actually planned money in a way कि हम ग्रीस जाने वाले थे, Santorini. We cancelled that and we bought Platinum. अभी ग्रीस मैटर ही नहीं करता. Now the whole scenario is कहाँ हम लर्न कर सकते हैं, और वेकेशन के लिए तो पैसे ऐसे ही आ जाएंगे जहां भी जाना है. बट व्हाट मैटर्स इज किससे नया सीख रहे हैं, सर किसको और ला रहे हैं, बिकॉज प्लैटिनम you and Sir have taught us the biggest lessons of life, that give, and everything else is always going to flow to you. Thanks that now we have a beautiful house that we have designed. Me being the civil engineer, he being the architect, designed everything exactly the way we wanted, exactly the way we had on our vision board, कि इधर एक window होगा, बड़ा window होगा, open होगा, all of that. So affirmations and DMP have worked magically. For me, even after reversing thyroid, I had cauliflower allergy, very severe cauliflower
I
allergy.
remember that.
अब प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, like Virat just said, a problem ही नहीं, दाने दो.
खा
It's
सकते
okay.
कुछ नहीं.
And even recently in April, I've been 2.5 years in Platinum. The biggest learning I've learned from Health Mastery is issues आएंगे. When you know, I've done a test and seen कि issue आए हैं, but I know अच्छा ये है, अभी क्या करना है और ये reverse हो जाएगा. That confidence has come because of Platinum. That there was a phase because I came back from Sydney, left PR and got married to this Bengali guy. My father used to be always upset, कि flourishing career, अच्छा salary, सब छोड़ के आ गए. And in 2021 somewhere, he did not speak to me for good 6 months.
अरे बाप रे.
And 24 May, when I did my first group coaching healing, I had not told him to attend. He attended and he cried, and
Oh my
I
God.
had shared the
I have
recording with her.
goosebumps. I have goosebumps.
Ma'am, I was crying. There were 56 people in that session. He cried. He sought forgiveness from his own mother. I'm sorry, it just makes me very emotional to
That's
talk
fine.
about
That's
it.
fine.
But I think मेरी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी पूंजी होगी ना is uh, getting something from your father, that beta, you were right, and I'm so proud of you, and I feel healed. And this is something I haven't let go on of in the last 65, 68 years of my life. Uh, I'm experiencing this, and this
Wow.
was, forget, I think that changed my entire perspective, that it's never about the money, it's always about the relationships and what you earn in the process. I remember my husband putting this out. It's a topiary,
Yeah.
okay? So this is something that's made in Europe, US. The concept was absolutely new to India. He makes artificial turf for luxury sports. And wealth mastery ke baad, he started adopting all of that. He printed these, he put these out, and he would read his affirmations. And somehow the idea came that topiary बनाते हैं. अब रशिया इज द बिगेस्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर, ओके, रशिया में, तो इंडिया आएगा कैसे, कौन लेगा इंडिया से इतना कॉस्टिंग. सर नथिंग लाइक सर सेज, स्टार्ट्स, stop solving and start evolving. Let's do our affirmations, let's do wealth mastery. Ma'am, you won't believe, Russia में last year war हुआ.
I know.
And guess who got all the orders?
We got
He 3 times of what he was making. His income's gone up 3 times in crores. I don't want to give a number, but
No, that's okay. But in crores,
this
we
was an
can't.
additional income. He was just manufacturing, and this is something he just put out. He put his brand name also there, ki Revta ki Topioris. और रशिया में वॉर होके रशिया से ऑर्डर्स, who can even imagine we could plan our finances,
Wow.
grow them, multiply the income.
Amazing.
This is how it should be. And we are engineers, so we never knew anything about finance. But Modit sir's session, or the way you had taken session for us as a platinum, it really inspired me कि यार इंदु मैडम इतना फाइनेंस हाथ में, तो मैं क्यों
मैं
नहीं.
भी engineer हूँ, by the way.
But ma'am, for females, for us, that money management somehow in India is still a taboo.
Yeah.
कि
वो
ये
कर लेगा.
करे, पति कर लेगा, वो ये करेगा. बट दैट पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ मैम भी तो कर रहे हैं ना, तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते. डेफिनेटली कर. दैट इंस्पिरेशन and that fact that sir is always very vulnerable, so you always have someone to look up to. For me, my self-worth has greatly increased.
Wow.
I was never confident wealth wise. I was coaching, but 1-to-1 24,000 3 महीने के लिए. After wealth mastery, more than 1 lakhs, easily and effortlessly I am charging. And I'm not even bothered कि कोई आएगा नहीं आएगा, तुम अपना काम बाहर रखो. Most of the times, ma'am, people come and say, अच्छा कोच करे क्या?
Oh.
We want to coach, we want to learn, we want to, and all the 21 people that I've so far worked with, everyone, they send me gifts. And that's written in the affirmation, not gifts, but I've written, I add, like sir says, add 10x value. And every client of mine loves me. Have beautiful relationships with everyone, and I keep receiving gifts. कि किसी ने ये भी, somebody sent a prasad from Tirupati, all of it. So I think more like what platinum has taught me कि अपना व्यवहार अच्छा रखो, तो
Exactly.
बाकी सब आते रहता है. Biggest learning for money, whenever I'm giving, I always remember sir's words: go with love, grow with
Go
love.
with love.
Go with love, grow with love. go with love. जिसके पास जाना है जाओ, अच्छे से जाओ, bless the money. More than that, it has made us who we are today.
Wow.
And I think we are still, all of us are still a work in progress. I think platinum, the biggest thing is you keep learning forever. And because of you and sir, we keep getting world class people. Thank
Speakers.
you very, very much, ma'am.
If I have to put just a number, not your Iman's number, your number,
Hmm.
how much you must have made since the time you joined Platinum?
Ma'am, over 30.
Over 30.
आराम से.
Very good. And he made in crores. So we
Yes.
total made in crores. One message for the new members who are sitting thinking join करूँ नहीं करूँ. What will you say?
मैम, आंखें बंद करके कर लो. This will be the best investment for your life. Don't worry about the money, because let the money go and it will grow and it will come back to you in manifolds. Every lesson, like Virat said, I always call platinum a platter. बड़ा सा buffet है आपके सामने. Everything. It's not like it's only for this evening, it's for a lifetime. And everything you can pick, taste, choose, tweak and make your own. तो हर चीज का आप स्वाद ले सकते हो. Do not delay it at all. I think every penny, it's complete पैसा वसूल, complete पैसा वसूल.